So I've been on the Norwegian Prima cruise for the last, I don't know, 7 days or so. And if you've been following my blog, you know I've been pretty busy in Iceland, and I've been exploring Norway, and had a really great time doing all of that. Been pretty active on different tours. You know, I've taken a lot of tours, been with a lot of people. So I arrived today in Amsterdam, and to be honest with you, I'm feeling pretty lazy. And I'm feeling Amsterdam is a good spot, good place to get my sea legs working and just hang out and just, I don't know, sit and enjoy cafes and people watch and just walk these amazing streets and check out the canals. This is my third time to Amsterdam, so I don't really feel the need to like explore it in major detail. And you know, if you've only got 8 hours in Amsterdam anyway, really probably the best thing to do is just absorb it, you know, in a cafe and take a canal ride. That's what my recommendation would be anyway. To try to do too much in one day, I think is always a mistake. But I'm having a lazy day today. So I hope you enjoy some of the sights that I'm going to show you. And if you need more than that, like a full-fledged travel guide, this video is probably not the one for you. But if you're here for 8 hours and you want to have a lazy day, just get yourself to this neighborhood and just walk around, find some cafes, and take a canal boat ride. And really, that's enough for 8 hours. I did make it to the Anne Frank house. I thought maybe I would just go into the Anne Frank house and check that out. Oh, the lines were so long, and you know, I don't want to wait in line for 45 minutes when I've only got 8 hours. So anyway, I'm going to get out and find a few more cafes to just sit and people watch. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, bye. So if you're stressing out what to do with your 8 hours in Amsterdam, don't stress out about that at all. And if you're feeling pressure to buy some organized tour or some excursion from your cruise boat or whatever, don't fall for that. You will have a very wonderful day if you just walk down to the downtown area. Just use Google Maps and just put in the Anne Frank house, and all around there you can just walk from all around there. It's unbelievable, and you can have a great day walking around here. And if it's raining, don't worry about it. There's so many cafes and pubs and museums. You can spend your whole day doing a lazy day like this, and then you can hop on your own canal boat, which are everywhere. You don't have to buy one through the ship or through a tour travel agency. They're all over the place. So don't stress out about Amsterdam if you're feeling the stress to, again, buy something organized. You don't need it. You can have a great day in Amsterdam just on your own. So I was really fortunate today to have great weather. So enjoy this virtual tour of Amsterdam. You know, I'm going to walk around today and hang out with me and take a walk with me, and you'll see what to do and how to have a chill day in Amsterdam, which really is the best day in Amsterdam. So as I said earlier, I've been here 3 times now, and when I think about Amsterdam, I think about a couple things. To me, it's the land of tall people, canal boats, stroop waffles, and bicycles. And I don't know what it is, but the people here are tall. It's something that I've always noticed, that a lot of height in these folks. And the canal boats are everywhere. If you had never tried a stroop waffle, you got to make your way into a cafe and get yourself a coffee and a stroop waffle. Nothing better than that. So there's a real sidewalk culture here. There's always people sitting outside when you're in Amsterdam like this. And the only danger you have in Amsterdam, and I'm serious when I tell you this, when you're going to cross the street, don't just look for cars, look for bicycles, because bicycles are everywhere. And let me tell you, I mean, don't walk in their lane without looking left and right, because you might get hit by one of them. And they have a right to be there. So the bicycle culture here is really popular, and you got to look out for bicycles when you cross the street. So other than taking a canal boat, the only other really must-do thing, and you must do it, you must get yourself a Stroop waffle, and get yourself a coffee, and find a little cozy spot, and take in a few of these things, because they're really, really tasty, and it's really the cultural thing to do when you're in Amsterdam, is to eat some Stroop waffles. So if you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll give it a like and subscribe. And by the way, if you're on a cruise in this part of the world and you're going to other cruise ports like Iceland or Norway, or perhaps you're headed over to England, or maybe you're going to Belgium or other ports, you might want to check out my channel, because I definitely probably have some other videos that'll enhance your visits. And I really appreciate you watching this video today. But hang out with me, we got a bit more to go.